Amira, today you're going to be doing guided practice 3-5. Okay, this is how I want you to title your notebook. And let's begin. I'm going to be going over it. Guided practice 1 through, I'm going to be doing 1 through 4, and then you're doing 9 through 28. Okay, so you're rounding to the nearest hundreds. Look to the number to the right. This is a 9, 5 or more, add 1 more, 4 or less stays the same. Everything in the front will stay the same, but then after it drops. Again, number 2, you're looking here, you're rounding to the nearest tens. Looking to the number to the right. 5 or more, add 1 more, 4 or less stays the same. Everything in the front stays the same, except for the number 3, which is going to be a 4 now. Here, 9,000. Here it makes the exception because now we have a 9 and a 9. What's going to happen to the 9? This is what's going to happen. 5 or more, add 1 more, so we need to add 1 more. If we add 1 more to 9, what's that number? 10, right? So everything changes all the way up to 1,000. Okay? That's the only one exception to the rule. The next one is 9 or 4. Look to the right. If it's 5 or more, add 1 more. 4 or less stays the same. Now we're going to add 1 more to the 9. Again, you're going to see how everything is going to change. Because if we add 1 more here, that doesn't mean the 1 stays the same. It's going to occupy that space value. So now what we're going to do, we're going to have to change everything. So whenever you have a problem that's like this, you're going to change the whole thing. So 9, add in 1. Oh, no. I'm sorry. This is going to stay the same because the number to the right is a 4. Yes, I'm sure you were looking at it and thinking that, right? So now 9 stays the same. Everything else will change. Comma should be here. Okay? But let me give you an instance when the problem is like this. And you have a number 5 here, 4 and a 2. When you have a problem like this, where the number 9 and there's a number in front, it's going to change. Everything will change. This means that this becomes a 10, 0, 0, 0. 5, 4, 2, 0. You see? It doesn't stay a 9. Not just the number 9 changes. Everything in front of the 9 has to change. So this becomes 100,000. Okay? I hope this has helped you to understand rounding. Okay? And that is what you're going to be doing most of the time. Let's see if we can do one more. Let's do number 5. Number 5 is 1 600,000 656. And the number that's underlined is 1. We look to the right. 5 or more, add 1 more. 4 or less stays the same. So this becomes a 2. Ooh, I don't want to confuse you. We add 1 more to the 1. So this becomes a 2. Everything else has to change. Okay? Let's do one more. Let's do number 6, which is the last one. 149, 590. Okay? So we're going to do one more here. And the number that's underlined is 1. Look to the right. 5 or more, add 1 more. 4 or less stays the same. This is a 4, so 1 is going to stay the same, but everything else has to change. Okay? I hope that has helped you, Amira. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow, honey. Bye. Take care.